Okay, well, there are a few more here, but they're not interested in eating food. They want money. So we can't really do nothing with them.
Slow.
If they don't want food, they want money for whatever it might be. So we will head on to another spot down here a bit. Sorry about the loud siren. I hope whoever that is makes
Yeah.
it. God be with them. Ready? Let's head on over
Let's go.
to another spot. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share. Don't be afraid to comment.
Ah,
Even bashers, make a comment.
merenda.
God bless you. Okay, come on, Lila, let's go. Okay, we're here with our chicken.
Carbonara.
Yes, chicken carbonara pasta. We know there's going to be a lot of people here by the Skyway because of the rain.
Yeah.
They're going to hide under here. So we see some right over here in the sidecar. We couldn't film much of the travel because of the rain. So let's just get on into it, you guys. Come on. Lila,
Yes.
I'll have to be the cameraman. All right. So,
Hello.
hello. No good the rain.
Umuulan.
Yeah.
Tumilong kayo.
Yeah, you hiding under the bridge.
Diyan ka nakatira? Oh, wow. Wala kang bahay? Yes, no house.
Yes, they have. So they say he has no house.
Ano yan? Wala kang bahay? Wala po. Ito lang po. Dito lang po kami natutulog.
Living in the pedicab.
Yeah.
So living in the pedicab. Are you by yourself or dalawa?
May kasama ka, di ba? Kanina may kasama.
Oh, you have baby. Wow, they got a baby even. Oh, there's the wife. Asawa. Oh, another. So two children. Like, sorry guys, I had to move the camera.
Pero ano galagala na lang. Kung ngayong araw na to, napunta kayo dito.
Like,
Ako kasi mulan. Oo. Ay, umuulan. Kaya nun, papahinga ka dito. Bakit dito ka dito? Bakit kasi sa Mindanao ngayon? Oo, Davao ba? Oo. Ako, Bisaya ako. Davao ako pa eh.
from Pasaya?
Davao.
Davao. Davao, okay.
Yeah, Baguio. Okay, ano ka nagkala? Oh, ayan, ano po, dito kami sama po kami. Nag-beses po ko namin. Oh, ako naman, dito kami nagkakilala po. Wow. Wala akong magulang. Wala na rin mo akong magulang. So, nagsama na, kumuha ka ng pamilya. Very good.
Alright.
Ano yung pag-aaral ng anak niyo? Yung pag-aaral niya? Ano po, nagkaano lang po kami, nangangalakal lang po kami para makapagpunta kami. Matagal yun. Matagalan po ito. Kasi kung tumataas ang bilihin tapos renta. Yung alin mo karto.
The baby, how
Ha?
old is the baby?
Ilang taon yung baby? Ayun, baby na daw na. Lima?
5 years old? Okay.
8.
Oh, and then it's
8.
8.
Pwede na siya. Grade 2 yan ah.
Wow.
Grade 2.
Grade 2 po.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
Dati sa ano? Mandaluyong po. Mandaluyong.
Oh. Tapos?
Yun, dito namin. Para makalabas.
Oh. Wow. So, madala kami pagkain.
So the young baby is 5 and this
8.
little girl here is 8.
Yeah.
She understands a little bit of what I'm talking about. We brought some chicken carbonara.
Mainit pa. Mainit pa.
Yeah, fresh. It's still hot. Oh, Lolo. Oh, Lila. Oh, mainit. Oh, one,
Ay, pinto yan.
another one.
Kainin na habang mainit pa.
Yes.
Oh.
There's one more. I hope this will help you a little bit today. Not a lot, but
Yeah. Kasi, ano, tumutulong kami sa mga walang bahay para makakain.
we had to tape the lid on because remember on the last one the lid kept blowing off.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're us.
Bye.
Be safe. Stay out of the rain. Try to stay as dry as you can.
Yeah. They're safe here,
Yes.
but some stuff, strong wind, I don't know.
Oh, Lila, look, Lila. Lila's wearing your mic way down there.
Sorry. How did
Okay. Well, God bless. Be safe. All right. We'll head on down the street, find some more. Come on, let's go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Hiding from the rain?
Basa.
Yes.
Wait.
Oh.
Nasaan yung asawa mo? Ha? Kagabi, nakausap namin siya eh. Ha? Nakausap namin kagabi.
I'll put a mic on him so you can
pataba,
hear him.
pataba. Ay, may puta. At nili. Ayan, oh. Okay.
We brought you some chicken carbonara.
Okay.
Sound okay
Okay.
to you? See, trying to stay
Hey,
under here, try to stay dry, huh?
Right.
Rainy days.
Hey.
Hello, sir.
Hello, okay.
How are you
Okay,
today?
okay.
Trying to stay dry? All right.
Right. Bumal, bulan.
Mm. There you go.
Okay.
Yummy. One only.
Sawa ko, sawa. Dalawa.
Oh,
Ayun, oh.
I don't see.
Ayun. Yan.
Demanding.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
sir. Yes, you're welcome. Sir, you
No.
want? Would you like? Lila, in America, we would call that making conversation.
Tubig, tubig, tubig. Tubig.
We bring water on hot days. Wala. Wala. We, wala. Lila, no. Edit that. What is that? Wala tubig.
Bili kang tubig.
Oh, okay, Lila. Go ahead. We didn't bring water today. Go ahead and give them a vente. They can buy a couple waters.
Bili ka ng tubig na, ha?
You guys. All right. Bye.
Ah,
All right.
ah. Masarap.
All right, Lila.
Sige. Ay,
All right.
ako.
God bless you guys.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Stay dry.
Yeah.
Enjoy. They were hungry. We didn't bring water today because
Ay,
we try to bring water
Salamat.
when the weather's like really hot and we know they're thirsty.
Mahal.
We didn't bring any today, so no, our cooler's kind of full of the. All right, like
What?
we go find some more.
Yes. We have some more. I think there's more people over there.
You see some more people
Yeah.
over there. Yes, I do believe there's some more right there.
Yeah.
All right, so let's mosey on over there. That one guy he's always really demanding. He's been on the channel before. What's that, Lila?
They're just taking a rest.
Are they just some people taking a
Yeah.
rest? We have a lot left to hand out. Oh, Lila, go down the step. Very nice, your trolley.
Yeah. Oop. Wow.
It works wonderfully. Oh, we wait for traffic. We don't want to get squeezed like a grape. You want to get squished like a grape?
No. Oh,
Grape squeeze.
another bus.
Oh, victory liner.
Yeah.
Hello, people. Enjoy your trip. Stay safe. I hope everybody's enjoying the video.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Lai. We'll squeeze across the road. We'll see if there's some hungries over here. I'll help Lila go up this step. Maybe. Can you get it?
Look.
Oh, very easy.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go around. Overgrown. They used to keep this trimmed all the time. Never seen it like that. There's security over there. Friendly guy. Hello. Hello. Long time no see, huh? We bring some chicken carbonara. That sound okay to you? Chicken carbonara. Pasta. Ayan. Wait, let's eat. Merienda.
Oh.
Let's go. Faster.
May asawa ka na? Okay ba? Sorry. Sorry.
Oh. Trying to stay dry today, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. We just cooked this, so it's still hot.
Nagkabalan siya.
Oh, here, my friend. You like them that? Okay. I haven't seen you here before. You're new. No? I just never noticed you before.
Yes.
Just once? Oh, come on over. Don't be
Sit down. Sit down.
don't be shy. Oh. Don't be shy. We bring plenty.
Oh.
Mm,
Dami yung friends, ah.
there you go. Oh, any more? We still have plenty in here. Oh. Oh, vitamin C for you.
Yeah.
Vitamin C.
Give your friend.
More vitamin C here. Vitamin C. Ma'am, like some vitamin C.
Mag-vitamins kayo para
Yeah. Oh,
sa sakit.
dropping one. Yeah, one per day.
Yeah. One araw-araw. Oh, vitamin
Oh.
C.
Oh,
Oh. Here, somebody.
get some for some. Oh, there you go. And some vitamin C.
Yeah. I want.
Don't be afraid of vitamin C. It helps keep you healthy.
Yeah.
Yes. Some people, you just can't get them to take their vitamins.
Oh,
You don't want?
I think you don't want.
That's the same guy on the other side. He's just not interested in food. He's interested in money. All right, let's put the lid on. Still got quite a few here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Eh,
oh, Lolo. Hard on the knees.
umuulan
But I
kaya.
do it for you.
Kaya naisipan namin
So you have a
mamigay
better
kasi
angle, better view.
walang kita ngayon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Kainin mo na habang mainit pa.
All right. Well, God bless, ma'am. God bless. Oh, yes. Stay safe. Stay dry. It's not a drug. It's vitamin C. It's so that you don't get sick. It helps your immune system. Very healthy for you.
Ang patiba ng
God
immune
bless.
system.
Yes.
Oh, vitamin C. Oh.
Yeah, once a day is good.
Kaya ang asawa mo. Kaya ang asawa mo. Asawa mo. Ito ba?
You're ready for the rain to stop? No more rain. You want the raindrops to stop falling on your head? She said, "What are you talking about?"
Gusto mo raw huminto yung ulan?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it keeps rain, Liberty, shower, washing for free. All right, Isla. So we should go find some more people. Yes,
Yeah.
we still have more in here. So we're gonna mosey down the road here, and God will provide people in front of us to eat. Oh,
Ay! Ano pangalan mo? Nene. Ikaw yung may-ari ng ano? Udang itim, no?
Ako yun. Wala, niloko rin ako nun eh.
Oh.
Niloko rin ako ni Daddy Frank.
Nasaan
Sabi
na
niya,
yung,
babalik daw siya, hindi naman siya bumalik.
nasaan na yung udang itim mo?
Doon sa ano, sa studio niya. Alam ko na sa office niya, sa studio.
Oh.
Yung babae doon.
Sige, be.
Ay, ako ang nagdadaw doon eh.
Lapit ka dito.
Sinipa yung security.
hello. Hi, sit down. Bung the bells. Yeah.
Long head na.
Oh, let's eat.
Niluto niya yan, no?
Chicken carbonara, pasta. Fresh, just cooked. It's still
Mainit pa.
hot. Don't want to
Kain
eat
ka
it.
na.
The what?
Coke.
Cold. What do you mean?
Cold drink.
Cold drink? I'm not giving you soft drink. Bad for the health. I can give you vitamin C. No, vitamin C.
It's allergy.
Okay.
Allergy.
Give them to somebody who needs
Yeah.
them.
Vitamin C yan.
I'm not giving you Coke. A forecast. Where's the cash? Cash? Yeah. Right here. You put it in your belly.
Uy, wala bang cash?
If we give you cash, we don't know what you do with it. If we give you food, we know you eat it.
No.
Anong pinagkakawala mo ngayon?
Usual, kagarating ko lang. Galing sa bahay. Hindi ako dapat. Dapat iinit kasi sa bahay. Kaya lumabas.
Kumusta yung kondo mo?
Okay naman. Until now, doon pa rin ako.
Yes.
Wow!
Yes.
My gulay.
Ako yung pulubi na nakaano.
On the bells.
On the bells. Do you have a cigarette?
I don't smoke. Oh. No.
Guys, go to hell.
I can't support your vices.
Why?
Because I have to support my own.
What things are for me?
Well, because you see this camera here? My viewers tell me not to smoke.
Yeah.
So I cannot give you a smoke. Because my viewers want me to quit smoking. So I would like if you also would join me and quit smoking.
Wow!
Yes, good idea.
Good idea.
If you think it's a good idea, give me the thumbs up. Anything. Speechless. Yeah. All right. Well, God bless. Have a wonderful day. And eat your food. Eat your food while it's still hot. I'm sorry, I can't give you Coca-Cola. I can't
Why?
give you smoke. Bye-bye.
Coca-Cola, cigarette, anything. No cash. Oh God.
No cat. Oh, yeah.
No Coke.
No Coke.
No
No
cigarette.
cigarette.
No
No
cash.
cat. Food na lang. Ulam.
Pagkain.
Kain.
What about boy?
You want a boy?
I want.
I can't help you with that either.
Why?
Because I don't swing that way. To each their own. Okay. We've got to go. We've got some more hot food to give out.
Okay.
And we want to give it out while it's still hot and fresh.
Fresh
Fresh. Fresh.
Like me, fresh.
Wow. Fresh.
Hindi ba?
I can give you girl.
I know.
You wouldn't know what to do. You'd be lost.
I don't need that.
Okay. So, better luck next time on your cigarette,
Do you have
your
an
cash. I don't. Better luck next time on the boy, the cigarette,
That is a complete.
the money, and the Coca-Cola.
Well,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye, Mamo!
Bye-bye. Lila, I seen a mermaid. Let's go see if she's hungry. The water's fine. Okay, come on, Lila, let's go.